We are now going to show you how to hook up your OS-440 in a Wi-Fi Direct mode. Wi-Fi Direct is different from regular Wi-Fi in that you're not streaming anything off of the internet. You're streaming directly from a device to the amplifier without any sort of network access. So if you have a music server or if you have a lot of content pre-saved on your device and you don't want to have to worry about Bluetooth point of distance or transmission problems, you can set this up as a Wi-Fi Direct transmission to just have a longer range of connection and a more robust signal strength for your audio. To do that, we're going to hit the source button until we get to the Wi-Fi Bluetooth LED, and we're going to double tap it so that it turns purple. That means it's now in Wi-Fi Direct pairing mode. So what you would do at this point is go into your tablet or your phone, go to your Wi-Fi settings, find the MSE Audio OS-440 as you would a normal wireless network, connect to that, just like you would connect to a traditional wireless network. And now, we're going to go ahead. It's telling us we don't have any internet because, again, we're using Wi-Fi Direct, not traditional Wi-Fi. Now we're going to open a device. Any device you can use to cast or stream is going to be able to do Wi-Fi Direct. And we're going to choose in the settings where to send it. So at this point, we're going to say backyard speaker is what we called this amp during the setup process.